2010 Transit Connect. Ever since I sold the big Econoline 350 van, I've been kind of missing the van. Anyway, I ended up buying this Transit Connect, and I'm going to convert this to a camper. It'll be my second van build project, and I just kind of wanted to show it to you and give you a heads up so that you know that my channel is going to start including videos on how I'm going to build this camper. It has 100,000 miles on it, 100,300 or something like that. The body is actually in really good shape. The paint's nice. It's a little bit dirty, but not bad. I mean, I got a couple little scrapes here on the bumper. I got a little bit of a ding right there, but heck, I mean, for what is it, 7, almost 8-year-old vehicle, it's really in good condition. Now the back, this is the XLT, so it's got air and cruise and all of that. You can tell they've hauled some cargo with it. It's got some bumps and bruises and a few dings here on these panels, and the original floor mat is stained up, and it's not rust, but it's got some stain. I don't know what they had strapped down in here. And then this plastic's all chewed up pretty good, but I lifted it up, and underneath it the floor looks good. The floor isn't rusted, and the paint's still good on it and everything. The nice thing is both the sliding doors have windows in them, and so did the back doors, and the rear window defrosters, which is nice, and wipers and all that. Couple panels back here, these, I don't know what the heck kind of wood that is. They got holes busted in them from some of the gear they had in there, but heck, those are easy to redo, and I'll probably redo those with a panel, so they're gonna have to come off anyhow. Not a big deal. This model, as you can see, actually has the rear seat, 3 seats here, and this folds up. That folds up as a double, and this folds up as a single, and they'll fold up and kind of store right up in here up against the back of the front seats. And I've always wanted a third seat or a second row seat in the other van that I built, so we could haul more than 2 people, you know, if I wanted to bring another person along or just give somebody a ride somewhere or something like that. So that option is already here in this vehicle, and this seat looks, upholstery wise, heck, it looks like it's brand new, and so do the fronts. You can tell there's a little bit of wear on them. I shampooed them the other day, and they're dry now, and cleaned them up. They look really good condition. All of the dash and everything else is in good condition. It's got the little storage basket up there. The net's intact. The headliner's got a little bit of wear on it, a little bit of scrapes and stuff here in the back where they had I don't know, hauling tall objects or cargo, whatever the heck they were using it for. So my plan is to build this and actually leave these seats in here. I'm going to try to work a bed system with the seats folded up. I'm going to work it with a bed across that side there as a single, and then also the option to fold both seats up and have a double bed here, and it's going to go clear up here to the back of the front seats. It'll be about here, 20 inches or so off the floor, so underneath, below the bed and the floor, will be 20 inches of storage space. So, and these can carry quite a bit of cargo weight, so that should be good also. I don't know if I'm going to put a vent fan in this thing. I know it's going to be stuffy if I don't. I still haven't quite decided that, and I haven't also decided whether or not I'm going to do the solar thing or not. If we're going to carry our refrigerator, I really need some sort of solar in order to be able to run that refrigerator nonstop like we do in the camper. So those plans are all still in the works, but that's what I'm working with, guys. A beauty about this is it's going to get more than double fuel mileage of the other van that we have, or pulling that camper. So that'll open up a lot of doors as far as traveling, how far I can go and how much it's going to cost to travel. Of course, there's nothing perfect. You always have to make a sacrifice of some form or another, and in this case the sacrifice is space and how much, you know, junk you're going to haul with you. We got this weather strip right here on the passenger door. It's pretty common that this thing comes unglued. It needs to be glued back up there, and a small 2 or 3 inch section on the driver's side starting to do the same thing. Other than this, really all the weather stripping is in good shape, but I need to get this fixed right now. So hopefully next video I'll show you how that has worked or didn't work out for me. Hope you enjoy the videos and tag along for the adventure. Have a good one. See ya.